Good morning, kindergarten. We are going to be learning and reviewing the Q sound today, Q and U. But before we start, we're going to review our blending hands. Remember, I say the word, we say it together, and then you say it. That's when we hold up our blending hand and we break up that word. So let's start with the word thin. Say it with me. Thin. Say it on your own. Now let's blend it. Thin. Thin. One more time. Thin. Where did you hear the sound in that word? It was in the beginning. When we had our first finger come out, it said thin. Was it voiced or unvoiced? Thin. Well, you don't hear it move until I and N, so I know it is unvoiced. We're going to be learning and reviewing that Q sound today. And remember, when we learned about the letter Q, we also learned it traveled with the letter U. U isn't always with Q, but Q is always with U. So I know that whenever I see a Q, the next letter has to be a U. Qu. We're going to write it in the air 5 times and say the sound. Let's start with capital Q. Qu, 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 qu. Now let's do our next one. Lowercase q. Qu, 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 qu. Now let's go ahead and let's listen for the Q sound in some of these words. We're going to break it up and see where we hear it. Quad. Say it with me. Quad. Say it on your own. Now let's break it up. Quad. Qu, a, d. Quad. One more time. Qu, a, d. Where do you hear qu in that word? In the beginning, your first finger says qu, qu. Very good. Our next word is the word quip. Say with me, quip. Say it on your own, and let's blend it. Quip. Qu, ip. One more time. Qu, ip. Quip. Where do you hear the Q sound in that word? At the beginning again, Qu, ip. That first sound. What's our vowel in that sound? Well, I know I have 2 because I know Q travels with U and U is a vowel, but I also hear I. Q, U, I. So it has 2 vowels that will travel together. Next word, quiz. Quiz, and say it on your own. Now let's blend it. Quiz. Qu, I, z. Where do you hear the Q sound in that word? In the beginning, qu, I, z. What's the last sound in that word? The last sound in our word is the letter Z. Z. Very good. We're going to play our game today where you have to guess what word I'm thinking of. It's a qu word using some clues. Let's play our riddle. The word I'm thinking of hatches from an egg. The word I'm thinking of is a kind of bird. Qu. What birds do you know that start with qu? Think about what we hatched in our e-learning. Our word is quail. Quail. Let's play our game where we review some of our letter and letter team sounds. I'm thinking of a sound for a letter, and you're going to pause the video and say it to your parent or to whoever is doing the video with you. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter E. Or E, it's a vowel, it has 2 sounds. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter N. Letter N says mm. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter J. The letter J says J, J. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter G, G, G. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter H. H. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter Q. Qua, qua. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team, S-N. Sn, like snail. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team, B-L. Bull, like blue. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team, P-L. Pl, like play. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team, C-H. C-H says ch, ch, as in change. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team, T-H. T-H says or th if it's voiced, as in thing. I'm thinking of the sound for the letter team, S-H. S-H. The letter team SH says sh, as in share. Now comes the time of our day where you're going to need something to write with in your eyes and your ears, so you can pause the video now and go get your writing supplies. Let's start with our first word. Remember, I say it, we say it, you say it, and then I'm going to break it up for us so it'll help you to write it. Our first word is the word quit. Say it with me, quit. Say it on your own, and let's break it up. Quit. Qua, it, quit. You can pause the video now and write your word. And here's how we would spell the word quit. I knew when I broke it up that qua, Q and U have to travel together, so I add my second vowel I and T. Our next word is the word quiz. Say it with me, quiz. Say it on your own. Now let's break it up. Qua, z, quiz. Pause the video now and write your word. And here's how you would spell the word quiz. Qua, Q-U, make that sound. Letter I. Z, like buzz, a letter Z. Your next word is going to be a nonsense word. So if you remember in class when we did nonsense words, you had to start it with a star. So make sure when you write this word, you put a star in front of it so you know it's not a real word. Our first word is the word quim. Quim. Say it with me. Quim. Say it on your own. And let's break it up. Qua, quim. You can pause the video now and write your word. And here is how I would spell quim. Qua, my first sound, I, and like swim, the letter M. And don't forget to mark it with a star. Here's your next word and your last word. It is also a nonsense word, so that means you need to mark this one with a star too. It is not a real word, but we're using it for spelling practice. Quib. Quib. Say it with me. quib. Say it on your own. Now let's break it up. Quib. Qua, I, b. Quib. Go ahead and write your word. And here is how I would spell quib. Qua, qua. Q-U, I, and b. Remember your B and D trick. If it's a D, the donut comes first, our circle, and then our candy bar. But if it's b, like a candy bar, you have your bar and then your circle. You guys did great today. Remember, you can use this video to practice your QU anytime you want, and you can go back to our YouTube channel and review any of the other videos and practice those sounds and sight words, or just watch some fun science videos. I hope you guys have an excellent day. Bye!